A cross-country search is going on right now for two little boys and their father. The trio disappeared 3 weeks ago from New Jersey, but as Marie Mortera tells us in tonight's Manhunt Monday, the focus has now shifted to Nevada.
Understandably, an emotional search here. The boy's mother spoke out today directly to her boy saying, "I love you, I miss you, and I will never stop looking for you." We want to show you the flyer that's been shared around the country. Police say 36-year-old Christopher Daum drove off with their sons Jackson and Parker, aged 7 and 8, about a month ago. The family is from New Jersey, but at a news conference today, we learned Daum told his ex-wife he wanted a few extra days with the boys so he could visit his dying father in Reno. The story was made up, police learned, and the boy's mother hasn't heard from them for a month. Sandra Hughes Daum has been keeping the story in the headlines, using her Facebook page, Twitter as well. And she says, "All I want is for my boys to return home safely." There is extra concern tonight as we learn the father is diabetic and he needs medicine daily to avoid a medical episode. Parker, the 8-year-old with the glasses, well, he's also asthmatic. The missing persons flyer is on the top of Sandra's Facebook page. A few things to look out for. Jackson has a left birthmark on his chin, while Parker wears transitional glasses, and the father, Christopher, has a barbed wire tattoo on his right arm and another tattoo on his left calf. They may be in a gray Nissan Pathfinder with New Jersey plates. There are 4 New Jersey detectives right now. They are focused on northern Nevada, but if leads take them to Las Vegas, they say they'll come here. If you can help in this case, call the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children at the number at the bottom of your screen, 800-843-5678. Jim, Jessica.